Sneaker reselling has changed over the past few years. Whether you're botting, retail hunting, or thrifting, there's always been one question that everybody asks. Where do you sell? Yes, you could sell on StockX, Goat, and eBay and do pretty well there. But what if I could tell you you could sell more? This is the story on how I sold 700 pairs in 3 months. So my goal with YouTube has always been to teach people how to turn nothing into something with sneaker reselling. And a lot of us that have been following myself or just been doing sneaker reselling for a long time are getting to the point where we need to start making some more money with this. We need to make more money with sneaker reselling, or we're gonna have to go a different route. You may be asking yourself as well, is it actually possible to sell 700 pairs in 3 months without having a storefront or, crazy clients and all that stuff? Yes, it is possible. I did it. Yes, I still used my store friends and StockX and Goat and Alias, but I'm not counting those in the 700 pairs that we sold. Those are just more pairs that we sold. So this is primarily on this one site. So you all know I've been doing Amazon FBA for a few years now. You may have heard it on live streams or on another video before, but I haven't talked too much about that business because I didn't see a real reason to. I only sold coffees and other products like that on there, making smaller marginal profits. It was more of a side gig and not a full-time thing, so I didn't necessarily want to bring it up. But just a few short months ago, I was in the office and I felt some urge to scan a pair of Jordans onto Amazon. And little did I know that that was gonna change all of our lives forever. There I was able to sell that pair that would have not sold previously for a good profit, sold reasonably quick, and paid out really nicely. So I wanted to do some tests. So for the past 3 months, I've been working behind the scenes to see if it's possible for others to do as well. And the answer is yes. This is going to be able to scale your business to all new levels that you didn't even know existed. But I do have to say some pairs didn't work. Not every single shoe is on Amazon and sold at record speed and made record profits. Let me explain. With the way that the sneaker market has been going in the last few years, even in just the last 6 months, there's been a decline in the sought afterness of bricks. The only pairs that are selling right now are the low stock, hard to get pairs. Those are the only ones that make money. But with this method, I was able to go against how the market has been trending and sell more bricks than anybody thought was possible. It wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. I didn't just walk into this and it automatically worked and I was making more money than I knew what to do with. There was a lot of hurdles to jump over. I had to try to get ungated in Nike and Adidas, and there was a lot of headache. But I put everything that I know on sneaker reselling on Amazon for my members so you can join. So this is not some get rich quick scheme that some YouTubers pull off. This is actually something that I want to do for you guys because you have given me so much as well. There is a lot to learn when it comes to Amazon reselling. It's not going to be the easiest thing that you've ever done. It is going to be hard, but we can do this together. It is going to be for the few that actually want to take the leap and do this and try to make some serious money when it comes to sneakers. So this marks a new chapter for the One Sneakers. We've been doing the same thing for about 2 years now on YouTube, where we go to events, we buy, we try to hit pairs, that kind of stuff. We're switching our boat now. We are turning around and we are going to make more money than we've ever done on the channel. And I know I want you guys to come along with me and do this as well. So I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna show you everything that I've learned in just the past few months about Amazon reselling, the ins, the outs, what to sell, what not to sell, that kind of stuff. Member only live streams that we can go over anything, any topic, the pairs that I have that I'm selling, what am I selling at, what are my margins. So I'm very excited for the path that the channel is now on. It has new life, it has new breath, And the videos that you'll be seeing on the channel are gonna be primarily directed towards that Amazon making money type scenario where we're gonna be making more and not having to do as many local meetups, and we'll be making more money that way as well. So guys, I hope this helped you. Definitely consider joining. The last question I wanna answer is the risk to reward there for sneaker reselling on Amazon? Yes, 100%. The nice thing is that Amazon can also open more doors for you. You could find more products at Adidas and find all of these different things that are gonna make you more money versus only primarily sneakers. So guys, thank you for watching this. This is the new chapter of the One Sneakers. I'm very excited. Hopefully you guys will stay tuned, enjoy the ride, and also come do Amazon with me as well. All right guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.